Hi, and today I am just rolling around the estate on my brother's bike, but yeah, I'm just going to be recording for the fun of it. So yeah, let's go on a little bike ride. And I am going to go past Caitlin Warehouse house sooner on. So yeah. I don't think the brakes work. I am just going, I don't know, well, we're just going on a little bike ride, aren't we? Is that clear? Yeah. Very go. Even though that don't make sense. Quickly, very go. Right, I'm gonna have to slow down a little bit here because I'm straight up G. The gang's alive and laughing. Alright. We are now outside of the estate where I live, which is the Morrison's estate, obviously. And yeah. I can go anywhere I want. Actually, I might go back because I want to show you my estate. I roll it. Anyway, yeah, there's these two kids, and there's this person called Millie, and he fell off his skateboard. So Millie went ha ha, and then Caitlin went ha ha, and he went, oh, I'm gonna bat you. It's a bit like pussy if you hurt a girl though, and yeah. So I went ha ha, just like taking the mick, just like joking, and then he said he wants to batter me. So I said, come on then, let's have it off now. And yeah, basically they fagged out and just ran because the two kids, they're about 9, 10ish, I don't know, and they go bush, and they think they're really hard and cool. So yeah, we're gonna go past Caitlin's now, so let's see if any car lets me go. Thank you. This bike's a bit too big. Really? Who cares? Well, it's not big for me, it's just bigger than me. Because it's my brother's. Look at all those cars. The only reason I turned around was because I want to show you this bit of the estate. So yeah, I want to be going this way up than that way around. Yeah, people at my school, if you're wondering, Caitlin lives number 3 there, or there. I shouldn't really be telling anyone, but just because she always tells me not to, I might as well do it. So yeah, now we are gonna go this way. Gonna start picking up some speed now. Well, not very much, but just a little bit more than what we're going now. Because what I'm going now is very slow. Sorry that the camera's shaking. Can't really help it. This car will. Another car's coming behind me. We'll have to wait for it to go past so we can actually get on the road. Because the road is more straight up to because I have that fun. Now we are gonna be heading this way, so yeah, you probably can't see because I'm picking up some speed. There we go. Okay, big surfer. Also a hard geezer. Not coming. Tiny little legs. Well, so that's how fat. Everybody. Got Josh loose up there. No flat. What? Alright. I'm gonna end the video now, so bye.